We're here outside the federal courthouse in Alexandria, where Paul Manafort's defense team has just stood up and said that they will rest their case without calling any witnesses or presenting any evidence. That includes having Manafort himself testify in the case. Manafort had to be questioned by the judge to basically say that he understands that he has the right to remain silent, that won't affect anything in the trial, and that he was willingly making this decision not to testify. And he said, yes, that's exactly what he's doing, deciding not to testify. Now, what this does is it sets up closing arguments that will start tomorrow morning. And so, that really will be the wrap-up of the case, where the prosecution will make their final push to be able to make their case before the jury, while the defense will try to undermine the prosecution's case by what we've seen so far is attacking Rick Gates, Manafort's longtime protege, and a co-conspirator that the prosecution put on the stand. And they will also try to make the case that some of these counts that they've attacked previously shouldn't be something that the jury should consider. So the rest of today will be taken up with haggling over jury instructions, and these are what the judge will tell the jury about how they're to decide whether Paul Manafort is innocent or guilty of all 18 of these counts that will go before them. We also started the day out with a nearly 2-hour sealed proceeding that was kept secret from the public, that we really have no explanation about what occurred in there. Now, this comes after we've seen 2 or 3 days now of sealed proceedings and some discussions that might have indicated that there was some kind of issue with the jury, but at this point we're just going to have to wait and see until the transcript's unsealed as the case concludes.